My name is Susana McDonnell, and I own Lino Cave, a home-based printmaking studio in Boston, Massachusetts. And I'm so thrilled that this year Valori asked me to come out to Sisters and teach at the Quilters Affair. I'm teaching 2 classes this year. One is block printed fat quarters, and the other is block printed upcycled clothing. In both classes, we will discover the magic of designing, carving, and block printing our own fabric. This process never ceases to thrill and amaze me, and I want to share this with you and teach you how to do it just as well as I do. In it, you will learn 3 distinct skills: pattern design, carving, and printing. You'll transform plain single-colored items into your very own patterns, one-of-a-kind creation. I hope you'll join me for one of the 2 classes, either printing plain fat quarters or printing and bringing new life to clothing items and making them all your own. I hope to see you this summer.